Slick streets and heavy clouds. Cold, harsh, bitter biting wind. Rushing to the Union Square. Washed out denim jackets. Old boots, loose hair. Wet leather smells like home.